Ding, we back
What's up?
on your neck.
We're gonna be reacting to Gucci Mane.
There you go, featuring J.Cole and WiLL.
J.Cole would take a feature from anyone these days. There.
Yeah, he does not pick.
Yeah.
Gucci Mane slave. Cole walking out with M's. The promoter paid. The promoter paid. Yeah. Real nigga, I don't say that a lot. You can tell how I talk and the way that I rock. I'm a straight shooter, no sugar coat, no booger sugar. Never had a nose full of dope. It's all good, folks. Coke, how you wanna coke? Drink what you wanna drink. I rock. I'm a straight shooter, no sugar coat, no booger sugar.
I'm a straight sugar, no sugar coat, no. Hey.
The way that I rock, I'm a straight shooter. No sugar coat, no booger sugar. Never had a nose full of dope.
Oh, never had a nose full of dope. That's sugar. Okay.
It's all good, folks. Coke, how you wanna coke? Drink what you wanna drink. Smoke what you wanna smoke. Stroke who you wanna stroke. Just as long as she down. If she not fucking, then run along. Boy, it's too many fish to be pressed about a bitch. I'm stacking too many chips. Could care less about a fit. I'm in some dirty ass kicks watching YouTube. I'm cutting grass and designing like it's FUBU. I got a real thick gal wanna sit on my lap. No BBL, you could.
This is so not J. Cole, especially in this era.
Yeah, like, he can't sell it.
This is past J. Cole.
He can't sell it.
Yeah.
I don't think even at any point it was like believable.
No, it was kind of was when he was coming up and he was making club records.
Yeah.
It was kind of believable.
Tell she just built like that. You ever walk into a spot knowing every bitch of pops? Not a whole lot of niggas that done felt like that. But there I go, there I go, there I go, there I go. Yeah, it's me with the inside out T. Low key, only short for a large fee. There I go, there I go, there I go, there I go. Yeah, that's him. Paid an arm and a limb for him.
I will say I missed beats like this.
Whatever J. Cole got paid for this is not enough. It is not enough. Like, Jesus, why did he
I don't
have
even
to?
think he charges for features.
Well, clearly, then she's probably being extorted in some form or fashion. Gucci Mane probably has his wife tied up in some wardrobe or something.
Cause they know the hoes jump out the gym for 'em. Gucci Mane and J.Cole, the collaboration. They pulled the band, whooped the bell, part of having.
This is what I'm getting from this song. He was just glad he has J. Cole on the song. I think it was just that.
And then he decided, let's take it a step further and shoot a music video. Fuck. Even the people in the music video are not motivated.
Exactly, because when you look at this, it's like, you know, like some tracks, whether they're good or bad, they're not supposed to have a video. There's those songs that are not so. They're supposed, when you talk about it, like,
And
it's track 7.
What sort of the track is this one in? The good or the bad track?
I don't know, I'd have to hear it.
No. Listen, this is not a
It's not great.
I don't have to get headphones and no. This is only gonna get the first listen and I'm done.
Nation. These boys exaggerate and do a lot of fabrication. But ain't no gimmicks in my game, this shit ain't animation. Now Mike Will made it, and Gucci Mane slayed it. Think I'm the dopest rapper ever, niggas overrated.
Check the credits in the song. You're not the best one in this song.
Got illuminated, the top decapitated. He had a book, but it went dry, that shit evaporated. Big ups to Fayetteville, shout out Mechanicsville. I keep it true, they go from Thomasville to Summerhill. And my Bugatti, but I used to have a Bonneville. I'm going Scott, I'm talking switch my move, I Puffy crib. Screaming, yes sir.
I like these girls. I like the girls in the video. It's like they look more on the ground than like the girls with like the overly exaggerated fake butts. I mean, they could have enhanced, but they look more natural.
Well, I'm glad you're finding some solace and some semblance of sanity in this song.
My diamonds go burr, yeah, it's a cold world. I told my nigga slow motion was the best motion. And money turn these bitches on, that shit like love potion. There I go, there I go, there I go, there I go.
This is so pre-2010.
What I will say is that, you know, I know J.Cole is always, you know, they put him in these lists. But out of the top tier lists and whatever, he probably has the worst hooks out of all the rappers in the top tier list. Because the J. Cole,
I disagree.
Because the J. Cole hook, it's either it's gonna do very good or it's gonna be very bad.
I disagree.
J. Cole has real misses when it comes to hooks.
Eminem, really?
No, I'm talking like the class. I'm not going like older. Like the class of like the J. Coles and them.
Yeah, but J. Cole is in a
I'd put my
small
money
class.
on I'd rather have Big Sean on a hook than J. Cole. At least Big Sean is gonna make it nice and musical bouncy.
Yeah, but if I was dying and the only person that can say if I had to entrust one of them to make a hit song,
I'm trusting Big
or
Sean.
else I die. No, I'm not trusting Big Sean.
I'm trusting Big Sean.
I'm not trusting Big Sean.
Big Sean will make you that nice commercial song.
No.
Yeah, it's me with the inside out tee. Low key, only short for a large fee. There I go.
This hook is not the one.
There I go. There I go. Yeah, that's him. Pay the arm in the limb for him. Cause they know the hoes jump out the gym for him. Oh, jump out the gym for him. White pill, hey, jump out the gym for him. White pill, hey, white pill, hey, white pill, hey, white pill, hey.
Nah, I don't like this song. I don't like this song.
Hey, J. Cole tried, bruh. Like, I'll give him credit for that one. He tried.
The thing is, Gucci has good songs also on his own. That's another thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This was a style clash.
Yeah,
was a style
yeah,
clash.
it just doesn't make sense.
If there ever was an era that called for a Gucci Mane, J. Cole record, this is not it. Because there's none of them are benefiting from this feature. None of them.
I think Gucci is. I mean,
Yeah,
he has
but-
J. Cole.
Yeah, but there's
Brand value.
there's nothing that this will not add to his legacy. It will not add to his legacy. It's not like
Okay.
Gucci Mane and Nicki Minaj, it's two artists that were not the same,
Yeah.
but there wasn't a style clash there. So that's what I'm saying. No one needed to do this. No one needed to do this, and Michael made it. And yeah, you shouldn't have given Gucci Mane this beat. Probably would have suited him in another era, but nah. But yeah, that was Gucci Mane, There I Go, featuring J. Cole and Mike Will Made It. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and suggest songs for us that we should react to. So, peace.